In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn with. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter that is known as translation studies. In translation studies, I told you about Nida Yuji's translation theory and also Catford Theory related to translation. Today, I'm going to teach you another aspect of Catford Theory, and that is unit shift. I told you that Catford talk about translation and various types of translation such as restricted translation, total translation, complete translation, and also about the levels. In Catford levels, I told you about, for example, class shift, structure shift, and category shift. Today, I'm going to teach you unit shift. What is unit shift? What are the examples about unit shift to know it in detail? Listeners and audience, according to Catford theory in translation, unit shift mean whenever a translator he or she translates the source text into the target text, sometime or often, one word or a phrase changes into a complete sentence, or sometime a sentence changes into a single word. This process is known as unit shift, and it is mostly happened in Arabic language. You see, in Arabic language we have one word and it is a complete sentence in another language. Yes, in Arabic it is also a complete sentence, but it is considered just one word. But when we translate it into another, to Pashto language, to Arabic, to English language, or to Urdu, it becomes a complete sentence, either a phrase or a sentence. And there are some words and in other languages, when we translate them into any other language, instead of a single word, it becomes a phrase. It becomes two words. For example, let's start from Arabic language. You see, this is the word in Arabic, ja'a. This jaw is a single word, but when we translate it into English, it means he came. Ja'a, he came. So in English we have here subject, in came predicate. So a complete sentence. Same is the case, this word is in passive voice, English word, qutila, but it means he was killed. And when we are talking about a single word, that in one language it is a single word, but when it is converts to another, from the source text into the target, it becomes two words or even a phrase. Like you see, misunderstanding. Misunderstanding, when we translate into Urdu, two words are there. Ghalat fahmi. Ghalat and then fahmi. Same is the case even unforgettable. Unforgettable is one word in English, but it becomes a complete phrase in Urdu. Naqabili faramosh. And you see, this is Urdu word. When we translate it into English, again, it becomes a phrase. Naujawan. So in English, a young man. A young man. So hope that now you know the concept of Catford related to unit shift. Thank you.